Chapter 6, Perimeter and Area. In the previous class, we learnt about perimeter of a rectilinear figure. Let us revise the same. A plane figure bounded by line segments is called a rectilinear figure. Thus, each one of the figures, like a triangle, a square, a rectangle, a quadrilateral, etc., are rectilinear figures. The length of boundary of any rectilinear figure is called its perimeter. Thus, we add the measure of all the sides to get the perimeter. Perimeter using formula. We can calculate perimeter or some polygons by using a formula. Here, we shall learn to calculate the perimeter of a rectangle and square by using formula. Perimeter of a rectangle. A rectangle is a plane figure whose opposite sides facing each other are of equal length. So we have two equal lengths and two equal breadths. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to length plus breadth plus length plus breadth is equal to length plus breadth plus breadth is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth is equal to 2 into length plus breadth, or P is equal to 2 into L plus B. From the above formula, we have L plus B is equal to 1 upon 2 into P, or L is equal to P upon 2 minus B, and B is equal to P upon 2 minus L. Example 1. The length and breadth of a rectangle are 38 cm and 27 cm respectively. Find its perimeter. Solution. We have L is equal to 38 cm and B is equal to 27 cm. P is equal to 2 into L plus B is equal to 2 into 38 plus 27 cm is equal to 2 into 65 cm is equal to 130 cm. Example 2. The breadth of a rectangle is 12 cm. Its length is twice its breadth. What will be the perimeter of the rectangle? Solution. We have breadth of the rectangle B is equal to 12 cm. Length of the rectangle L is equal to 2 into 12 cm is equal to 24 cm. Now perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B is equal to 2 into 24 cm plus 12 cm is equal to 2 into 36 cm is equal to 72 cm. Thus, the perimeter of the rectangle is 72 cm. Example 3. The perimeter of a rectangle is 70 decimeter. Find its length if breadth is 15 decimeter. Solution. Perimeter P is equal to 70 decimeter. Breadth B is equal to 15 decimeter. Therefore, length is equal to P upon 2 minus B is equal to 70 upon 2 minus 15 decimeter is equal to 35 minus 15 decimeter is equal to 20 decimeter. Hence, length of the rectangle is 20 decimeter. Example 4. The length of a rectangular park is 0.1 kilometer and its breadth is 80 meter. Find the perimeter of the park in meters. 3 rounds of barbed wire are needed to fence this park. Find the cost of fencing the park if the barbed wire costs 6 rupees 50 paise per meter. Solution. We have length is equal to 0.1 kilometer. Breadth is equal to 80 meter. As the perimeter is required in meters, we convert length into meters. So, length is equal to 0.1 kilometer is equal to 0.1 into 1000 meter is equal to 100 meter. Perimeter of the park is equal to 2 into L plus B is equal to 2 into 100 meter plus 80 meter is equal to 2 into 180 meter is equal to 360 meter. Length of barbed wire needed is equal to 3 rounds of the park is equal to 3 into 360 meter is equal to 1080 meter. Cost of 1 meter is equal to 6 rupees 50 paise. Hence, cost of 1080 meter of barbed wire is equal to 6 rupees 50 paise into 1080 is equal to 7020 rupees. First, express the given length in the same unit. Never calculate with different units. Perimeter of a square. A square is a plane figure whose all four sides are of equal length. Perimeter of a square is equal to side plus side plus side plus side is equal to 4 into side, or P is equal to 4 into S. Hence, S is equal to P upon 4. Example 1. Find the perimeter of a squared science book of side 21 cm. Solution. Perimeter of the book is equal to 4 into side is equal to 4 into 21 cm is equal to 84 cm. Example 2. The length of fencing of a square garden is 700 meter. Find the site of the garden. Solution. Perimeter of the square garden is equal to 700 meter. Length of one side of the field is equal to P upon 4 is equal to 700 upon 4 meter is equal to 175 meter. Area. We have learned that perimeter is the length of boundary of the figure. What can we say about the surface covered by a figure? The amount of surface covered by a figure is called the area of the figure. Just as we need a standard unit for the measurement of length, similarly, we need a standard unit for the measurement of area. A square of side 1 unit, like 1 centimeter or 1 meter, is used as a standard unit of area. Look at the square of side 1 centimeter given on the right. We say that the area of this square is 1 square centimeter, which is written as 1 square centimeter or 1 centimeter square. Area is always measured in square units. The figure given alongside shows a rectangle of length 4 centimeter and breadth 3 centimeter. Observe that the rectangle is divided into a number of squares of side 1 centimeter. Clearly, the rectangle has been covered with 12 such squares. We say that the area of the rectangle is 12 square centimeter. The number of units needed to cover a surface is called its area.